Welcome to the DIY video on replacing a fused bulb. Remove the RH service cover using a Phillips screwdriver as shown. With the service cover removed, you will have access to the headlight assembly. Disconnect the bulb coupler. Remove the rubber casing from the headlight assembly. Unclip and remove the halogen bulb. Check if the bulb is blown out. If the bulb is in good condition, contact your nearest service center. If the bulb is blown out, replace it with a new genuine part. After replacing the bulb as shown here, reattach the bulb clip and rubber casing. Reconnect the bulb connector. Finally, after all connections are secure, refit the service cover.